Hi everyone. We are from Poland. Our favorite day was day 1. We really enjoyed the water bike trip. We had a great time there. After that, we attended a lecture about Vikings, their culture and life way. It was in local Elblag Museum. It was interesting and fascinating. Then we were trying ourselves and making some bowls from clay. Then we went back to Old Town Hall for a lecture about climate changes. Professor explained to us the whole topic and we learned a lot. It was really great. It was a really intensive and productive day.
Hey guys, I'm Vara.
And I'm Martin, and today we were at the Historical Museum of Elblag.
Yes, our guide was Dr. Jakub. He told us about Trousseau and he told us that it was discovered in 1981 and the person who discovered it was his father actually. He told us that Trousseau was, before the day it was discovered, just a legend. Nobody knew exactly where it is. So that's why everybody thought, yeah, maybe it was somewhere else or it didn't exist. Because there are routes from Hedeby to Trousseau. But yeah, his father found then something that led to the conclusion that Elblag was called Trousseau. That's what we learned today. Bye.
Bye.
I just came to say hello.
September 13th. In the morning we drove to Gdańsk city. We were divided into groups. One group listened to a lecture about migratory birds and some predatory animals. Another group went to the beach through a forest path. Right after lunch, we visited Gdańsk University Rain Garden. The professor that works there told us about how the rain garden works and what is its purpose. Shortly afterwards, we divided ourselves into small groups and went to explore Gdańsk Old Town with our guides.
Guys, make sure to be sustainable!
Hey, I'm Ben.
And I'm Tim.
And we are from the university from Rostock and we start our day here in Elblag.
On a very sunny day, we are really like the city.
Of course, we have an introduction what we do. We are very excited.
And we are planning on other spots we want to see in the city and we are looking forward.
You see us. Der ist viel zu huge.
Mainly for the personal use.
Also, for example, for keeping.
a wonderful, lovely day. Yesterday was a very nice and full day. After the introduction, we was at the museum. In the museum, we learn many about Vikings. We learn about female age warriors. It was very interesting.
And very many information about the historical past of Elbląg. And afterwards we've been to the clay atelier, and afterwards we've been to water cycling on the river, and that was the day on Monday.
Yeah, it was a very nice day. We see a lot of things, learn a lot of things. We have
and not to forget, we've been to the lecture and about economic environment. It was really interesting about water flows and hybrid design of water-based solutions.
Of course, the seminar from Professor Dr. Magdalena was very, very good.
Hi guys, it's me again, An. Here's Leonard and here's Martin. Yes, I forgot his name. We are now heading back to our starting point. We've passed around, I think, 3 bridges. I think that's like over a kilometer long. So we've been biking for a long time. As you can see, Leonard is also very tired. Was it fun for you?
It was very fun.
Yes, it was very fun for me as well. The city was beautiful, the weather is nice, the wind is breezing. It's very nice. Did you also have fun, Martin?
Huh?
Did you also have fun?
Yes.
Yes, very much.
I don't have the paddle, so it's very chilly for me.
Yes, we had a lot of fun. So I'll see you guys. I would recommend trying this out. And see you guys.
Hello, my name is Joseph.
And my name is Florian.
And we want to discuss the first day of our trip with the sustainability camp here in Elbląg.
Yeah, on the first day we had a tour to the Vikings Museum here in Elbląg, and we did some pottery and saw a movie about the history of Elbląg and how the Vikings took part in it. After that, we had a presentation from Professor Magdalena, and she told us a lot about climate change and how rising temperatures affect our environment.
She told us about the acidification of the oceans and the connection between the rise of the temperature and the expenditure of the volume and the rise of the water.
Overall, the message of her presentation was that everyone can make a difference and can have an impact on our environment, how we behave, us, and how we are treating our nature.
At the end of her presentation, we also discussed the problem with the packaging. She gave us some packaging items and showed us what the industry makes to let us think the product is larger than it actually is, because the packaging is so huge and the product is so tiny, and so the customer, we think, yeah, it should be a great product, but in fact it's bad for the climate, because the industry makes a lot of effort to produce these packaging.
Yeah, that's a marketing move from the industry, and we should concentrate on buying products which are less packaged, and yeah, that was our takeaway message.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you guys, bye.
So on the first day we were driving with paddle boats, which was really fun. And after that we went to a museum where a guide told us more about the history of Elbląg. On the second day we made a city tour through Gdansk and learned more about the past of it and how it was built. After that we went to a forest to a beach where we got told more about the nature from the island.